everybody, it's Michael Cologne with Travels with Michael, and I'm here with another unboxing video. Last week, I had gotten the new Airpods Max that I had ordered over the Thanksgiving Black Friday weekend, and they finally were delivered, and I did an unboxing video and was surprised to find out that the Airpods Max that they had sent me, although were the right color, they weren't factory sealed, so they weren't bought new. So I thought maybe they had been refurbished, and I didn't order them refurbished. I did order them new. And then when I went to go charge them, because I did have an extra cable, the cable wasn't included. When I went to go charge it, I let it charge for an hour and it never turned on. So I waited 3 weeks, and it turns out that they sent me damaged product, so I had to send it back. So I decided to go to the Apple store and actually purchase the Airpods Max, because I still want them for traveling. And as a filmmaker and a photographer, you know, I listen to a lot of videos when I'm editing and everything. So I really, really do want them. And see, factory sealed. This is how it's supposed to have come. So I originally ordered the blue ones, but these are the silver. Pretty standard. But I do want them when I travel. So I decided to open them with you and do an unboxing video with product that isn't damaged. So, I have scissors. We're just going to undo the little box here real quick, which I like. I'm very excited. I didn't have to wait 3 weeks. I ordered it, and it came the next day, and I just went to go pick them up. So I'm actually unwrapping it now, which I wish I could have done last time. The unwrapping part is the funnest, isn't it? That's why I like doing these videos. I get very excited. Okay. So it's unwrapped. And I know I say this every video, but I eventually got to get a camera from above. But now we're going to actually take it off. You're as excited as I am. Ta-da! Hold on. Okay. Ooh, just as beautiful as yesterday, or last week's. But these ones are silver, so let's take them out. They're very, I mean, they are heavy. They're not ridiculously heavy, but they're like, they're sturdy, which I like. And then they come with this like paper thing here. So let me see if I can take this off. Hold on. Try to keep everything intact, you know. The paper, but I really like the case. So the case is right here. It's really nice. They slide right out, and then there's paper on these too. So the paper's on these. That's kind of nice. So there you go. And then they just right over your head, which I'm going to charge them first before I connect them. And then I do like this color. It's pretty standard. But like I said, I want something sturdy, especially when I'm on a plane. I really like to block out the noise because I'm such a light sleeper, and when I'm traveling, I always get stuck by either crying babies or like people who want to play their phones really loud or be on speakerphone, or just people that talk. And sometimes it's hard for me to sleep. And so here's this paper, and look, this wasn't in last time, but here's the actual plug. So that makes me happy. Everything is here and appears to be in working order. So I'm really excited now because I'm going to charge these bad boys and connect them, and then probably use them to edit this video, which is kind of exciting. So like I said, between the photography that I do and the filmmaking, I'm always having to watch videos or watch playback on the things that I edit. I also use them for traveling, just to listen to music on the plane. So I decided to go into the new year with better technology. So I do have my AirPods Pro. These things are so amazing. I use them a lot at the gym when I go, or if I'm walking around the neighborhood. And I just like that they block out the sound. So I decided for the new year to advance to the AirPods Max. So I want to try these out, and I will do a follow-up video on what I think about them. So, all right. Well, this is Michael Cologne with Travels with Michael, and I look forward to your next adventure.